This video is entitled Template Takeoff, Fixtures by Type Example. Another of the more useful templates in the template list is the Fixtures by Type template. When you examine this template, it will generally look very plain. What makes this template unique is that instead of having static items, it is made of dynamic items that have the ability to be changed from estimate to estimate. If we place the Fixture by Type template into construction mode so you can see how it is constructed, you will notice that it is made up of special item numbers. To put it into construction mode, we click on the little hammer up on the screen. We'll talk about some of these toolbar items in a moment in the video that describes them. We'll close this little box so that you can see the screen, and you can see that on this template we have applied special item numbers 200 through 233. And those are the dynamic numbers. And since these these special items have not been defined yet, that's why when you look at the form, it appears to be blank. So we're going to go over to Standard Takeoff, and we're going to define some of these specials. We click on the Special Item button. The Special Item utility pops up. It already pre-populates with the number 501. Now we don't want 501 since the first special item on that template was number 200. That's the number we are going to use. So we force it to 200. We give it a description. And we give it some labor hours, 0.75, and maybe $5 worth of miscellaneous material. This may be accurate or not. I go on to create a second one. It already gives me number 201, so all I have to really do is just type in Fixture Type A1. I give it again. I should have assigned it to a light fixture account code, which I'll do now. I didn't do very good on the first one, but I'll go back. I can go back and change that. We'll give this one 1 man-hour, and we'll make it $10 in miscellaneous material. And we'll go ahead and close this one, and I'm going to go ahead and open this one and go back and change my miscellaneous to lighting fixtures. There it is. I'll close that up. Now I'm already set up correctly. I'll create the next new one. It comes in as 502. Now you can just go in and type in Type B, for example. Many estimators like to just put a single character like A or B. If you do that, since you're going to be using them in templates, and template descriptions need to have at least 2 characters, that's how it knows it's a description, put a B and a period after it and it will work fine. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to put in my labor hours, and I'll put 1 hour and a quarter for this one, and I'll put $15 worth of material, and I'll just go ahead and close this up and I'll finish it up. Now I could finish here, and I go back to Template Takeoff, and if I go to my Fixtures by Type template, now I have my different fixtures already in here. And what makes this so powerful is that I can sit here and I can go to a floor, and I can go to the common area, and I can right click, and I can right click, and I can right click, and I can go to the next common area, apartment A, or the next floor, back to common area, and these are where these fixtures are really at. So it's very easy to go ahead and do the takeoff. And you can use this same technique for not only Fixtures by Type. Many of our estimator customers are using it for fire alarm takeoff, feeder takeoff, many different types of panel takeoff. You create a blank template and you call it that, and then you populate it. It's very easy to do the takeoff using these procedures. This concludes the template takeoff Fixtures by Type example.